2012 string current backfeed. Alarm information. Troubleshooting. Check whether the PV module installation environment is obstructed by buildings or mountain vegetation. If yes, adjust the installation position. Check whether the number of PV modules connected in the alarm PV string is the same as that of PV modules connected in other parallel PV strings. If the numbers are different, wait until the PV string current drops below 0.01A. Set the DC switch to off. Adjust the number of PV modules in the PV string. Check whether the model and parameters of the PV modules connected to the inverter are the same as those of PV modules connected in other parallel PV strings. Ensure that the model and parameters of PV modules are the same. Check whether the open circuit voltage of the PV string is normal. Check whether PV modules in the PV string are connected in reverse polarity. Contact Huawei technical support.